Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting dish, soy-braised tofu with scallions. Look at this, golden tofu soaking up a rich savory sauce with sweet tender scallions on top. Simple ingredients, but the flavor is way bigger than you'd expect. This is one of those dishes that makes rice disappear fast. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a block of tofu. No need to be neat here, just break it into chunks with your hands. That rough surface actually helps the tofu soak up more sauce later. Now take one big scallion and cut it into chunky pieces, kind of like rolling cuts. These are going to turn sweet and fragrant once they are cooked. Next, let's mix a quick sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon soybean paste, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon sugar, 150 milliliters of water. Give it a good stir and set it aside. Everything is ready, let's cook. Heat some oil in the wok and make sure the heat is nice and high. Add the tofu and fry it until the surface turns golden and lightly crispy. Don't rush this part. Color equals flavor. Once the tofu looks good, toss in the scallion sections and stir them around until you smell that amazing aroma. Now pour in the sauce we just mixed. Turn the heat down to low and let it gently simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is when the tofu really drinks in all the flavor. After that, add the rest of the scallion. Cover the wok and let it steam for about 1 to 2 minutes. By now, the sauce should be thick and glossy. Give everything a gentle toss, and we are ready to plate. Look at this tofu, soft, tender, and completely coated in sauce. You can already tell it's going to be good. Let me take a bite for you. Wow, this tofu is so flavorful. It's even more satisfying than meat. And it's incredibly easy to make too. Give this a try at home, I promise. Once you test it, you will be hooked. Thanks for watching. See you next time.